Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a face-off between the Creality K1C and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Let's dive into the details and see which 3D printer suits your needs best. First up, let's talk speed. The Creality K1C boasts a lightning-fast 600 mm per second speed with an acceleration of 20,000 mm per square second. Reviewers are impressed with its rapid performance, making it ideal for quick projects. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 clocked in at a respectable 500 mm per second with 8,000 mm per square second acceleration. Users appreciate its reliable speed, though it's slightly slower than the K1C. If speed is your priority, the K1C is the clear winner. Now, let's talk price. The Creality K1C comes in at $699. It's a premium price, but many users feel the features justify the cost. The Creality Ender-3 V3, however, is much more budget-friendly at $299. Reviewers appreciate its affordability without compromising on essential features. If you're looking to save money, the Ender-3 V3 is the better option. When it comes to print quality and extruders, the Creality K1C features a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle, making it versatile and high-performing. Reviewers have noted its excellent print quality, especially with advanced filaments like carbon fiber. The Creality Ender-3 V3 sports a high-configuration Sprite direct extruder and a bimetal heat break, which also delivers great print quality. However, users mention a slight learning curve. Both printers are strong contenders here, but the K1C edges out slightly for advanced users. User-friendliness is crucial, especially for beginners. The Creality K1C offers hands-free auto-calibration and an AI camera for real-time monitoring, making it very user-friendly. Reviewers have praised its ease of use and setup. The Ender-3 V3 includes a CR touch sensor for auto-leveling and an intuitive touch UI screen, with options for phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drive printing. Users find it accessible, but a note it requires some initial setup and learning. If you want a more user-friendly experience out of the box, the K1C is your go-to. Finally, let's discuss noise levels and air purification. The Creality K1C operates in silent mode at is less than or equal to 45 decibels and includes an air purification system with activated carbon bags. Reviewers love the quiet operation and cleaner air quality. The Ender-3 V3 doesn't specify noise levels, but features dual fans for fast model cooling. Users have mentioned it can be a bit noisy. If a quiet and clean workspace is important to you, the K1C wins this round. Summarizing the reviews, the Creality K1C is praised for its speed, user-friendliness, and advanced features, but has faced some quality control issues. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is lauded for its affordability, reliable performance, and ease of use, though some users have encountered occasional technical problems. So, there you have it. The Creality K1C and the Creality Ender-3 V3 each have their strengths and weaknesses. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!